I'm called teacher Amuge Ann from Pherry Junior School, and I work as a teacher here in this school, and I hold the position of a senior woman teacher. What I know about this day is a day set aside by the government, I think in the whole world, in respect of the woman. I have for these men who don't allow their ladies to work is that is an ancient way of behaving, because today it's all about a responsibility, both the woman and the wife. Because when I bring, you bring, there is a way where the family moves on. We join hands together such that we decide big. Because when I bring and you bring, we are able to decide where to put our children in a good school like this one. Because single-handedly, you cannot put a child in such a school, especially if your income is low. So I encourage men that at least let your wife have something to do. Even if she doesn't have a professional job, at least let her have some small business, some small-scale business, such that she adds value to the family. But we also have challenges that we pass through as women, especially women who are working like female teachers. Now, one of the challenges is domestic violence. Sometimes we tend to take time at school. We extend the hours of work, whereby when you go home, your husband or your spouse may not be happy with your time of reporting home. You try to explain, but at times he doesn't understand. So that is one. Two, there is also like single mothers. Some of us are not married. So when we are, as a woman, we face challenges of like men throwing children to us, much as we have them, but the husband is not there. The husband leaves you with the children. You suffer with the children. All the responsibilities taken by you. You do the school fees thing, the dressing, the medical care, everything. As a female teacher and being a teacher, single-handedly, we are really crying to the government if there is a way they can help us as single mothers who are teachers in bringing up our children, because that is one of the biggest challenges we are facing. The advice I can give to the young girls who are soon becoming mothers, that please, if you have a chance of being at school, please utilize that chance, because an educated woman is respected in the community. And when you are educated, you are able to attract these high profile like men after school. So I advise you to concentrate in school, leave whatever is obstructing you, and concentrate and first finish school. That's when you will think of like getting married, doing all that stuff. So that is the advice. Okay, I want to first of all thank our president, Mr. Museveni, for giving ladies a chance to hold the positions in the government. But my request is, these ladies, for example, the vice president, the prime minister, the minister for education and all those, that please, as much as you are up there, but even there are ladies down here who are even like, let me say I'm not in a worse position, but there are some ladies who really need help, and they are seated down there going through a lot of challenges. I request you mothers up there to come down to the level of these ladies who are like trying to come up with small scale businesses. Come and support them, come and lift them up by providing whatever you can, such that they also come up and able to meet their family needs.
My name is Omukulu, the head teacher of Pherry Junior School, Mukono. A break to respect the women in Uganda, because they've made a lot of contributions to this country. And also, as a school, our female teachers have been given time at least to go home and associate with their husbands and the family at large. And the school has also provided them with something to go and enjoy with the family members since they've been coming and staying at school for some time. 12 female teachers, and sincerely these female teachers are very unique to the children because their parents, they are showing love to these young ones. And you know, as a school, there must be what we call gender equality. Because of that gender equality, even the deputy is a female teacher. Basing on what we have seen in this country currently, where the president is a male and the vice president is a female. These are gone through training and they have all the skills of managing and caring for these children. These are mothers who have been equipped with the skills of handling these young ones, and our teachers are really capable in handling the children. And my appeal to our teachers who are seeing us outside there, since we have female teachers who have that love and customer care for the children, I request them to enroll their children with us as a Pherry Junior School.